In today's video, we're going to look at a number of methods for making money online. Here's a great thing for you guys watching. All of the methods I'm going to share with you are backed up with case studies, they're backed up with numbers, and anyone can do these. And you don't need skills, you don't need experience, you don't need money. And a lot of this can even be done purely from, hopefully you can see that, hopefully, yeah, can be done from your phone. So let's go ahead and dive into today's video. Hello and welcome. So we'll dive straight in. So we're going to come down here on the left hand side and I'm going to click on here. Now essentially on the screen what you're looking at now is my own training platform. It's closed by the way. I've had a number of people ask me how they can get into this. It's actually closed at this moment in time. We may open it further in the year. But inside of the Not Taught at School University over here you can see we have got all of these different methods for making money online. Now what happens inside of here is you can see every 4 to 6 weeks we've got this section down here called case studies and workshops. So we will either do a case study or we will put in a workshop. So recent ones we had an Instagram theme pages workshop, 5-day workshop, etc. Okay. Now you'll see down here we've done all of these different case studies, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some of the numbers from each one. I'll share how you can do this yourself because it's genuinely a simple method, and by the end of the video I can promise you one thing. You will know exactly how these methods work. You will know the potential of how much money you can make with this. And if you take action on this, you could be earning some decent money, especially now because we're coming into the holiday season, okay? So let me share with you some of these methods, and genuinely they're all simple, okay? So the first one I'm going to start with is this one over here. And it's you and Amazon and how you can get paid in 4 different ways, okay? Now, this method is all geared around signing up to the Amazon Associates program, Amazon's affiliate program. And what happens is once you are a member of the associate program, you can get a link from Amazon and you can put that in a YouTube video, you can put it in a Facebook, but you can basically put that link where you like, okay? And what happens is if somebody clicks your affiliate link, they go over to Amazon, they buy the product, you earn a commission, okay? Now, the commissions are not huge, but the potential with it is brilliant, okay? And let me show you this, okay? So this on the screen was when we did our case study. Starting from scratch, everything we're doing, scroll down here, and then you will see we did results after 7 days, but here's the thing, okay? This one here took us 14 days to earn our first commission. And all I was doing with this method here was I was getting my phone, okay? Oh, you can see it. I was getting my phone. I was going around the house and I was reviewing products and I was just showcasing them. Now, those videos were not very long and all I was doing was putting them onto YouTube, okay? And I'll show you that now. So we come over onto YouTube. This was the channel. It was called The Home Reviewer. Now, you can see here, this is how much YouTube had paid me in the last 28 days, okay? I've earned over $1, which is, it's by the by, but I've not done anything with this channel for months. More recently, you can see over here, we've just started uploading a few different shorts. But look at this, okay? See this video here? It's had 12 views, this Acer Chromebook. When did I put that video on YouTube? It's a 5-minute video, very short. You can see it's a year old, it's $6, so about £5. In the last 48 hours, it's had 12 views for that video. It's incredible. If I click details here and scroll down, I'll show you this. So if I come down here as well, you see all of these keywords here. This is what somebody would type into YouTube. And when they do, you can see if someone types in review Chromebook 314, this video, which is a year old, is currently in position 15. This over here is in position 15, 39, 24, etc. Okay, so one video is potentially being found on YouTube from all of these different these keywords. Obviously not all of them because no one's going to scroll to page 191 or 48, etc. But it's over a year old, it's still bringing in traffic. And if I go over onto the channel, I'll show you this as well. So if I scroll down here, you can see these are the types of videos. 1 minute and 43, 2 minutes. Scroll further down the page, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. I mean, a lot of these, if you look at this one here, this one here, this one, most of them, to be honest with you, it was literally a case of going around the house, finding a product that I have in the house, checking if it was on Amazon, doing a quick 3-4 minute video and uploading it, and then we earn money. I'll share with you some earnings from Amazon. So you can see over here, this is in the last 30 days, we've earned $18 from videos that we have put onto YouTube, and we are linking out down here, okay? Straightforward and simple, it really is. And I mean, you can see look, the majority of these videos here were all last year. I think we've done a couple this year, like January, February. I've not even published that one. I don't know why, that one, etc. But this was done as a case study, okay? So that is method number one, and it is as straightforward and as simple as that. So to recap, we go ahead, we take our phone out, we go around our house, we review products we already have that are selling on Amazon, okay? Once you find the products, you simply get an affiliate link and you put that in your video. So like this one here, look, Xbox Core Wireless Controller. If I click on here, you will see it says find it here. Now this link here takes them directly over to Amazon. And if they buy a product, we earn a commission. I'm not on camera. It's straightforward. It's simple. And as you can see on here, doesn't take very long. That is method number one. And that method, as you can see on here, took us 14 days to earn our first commission from Amazon. Day 16, we started appearing on Google. Come down here, day 19, and then we did a conclusion, okay? So 14 days from scratch to earn money from Amazon. And then as a side note, you can earn money from YouTube, and then and this case study said you can earn in 4 ways. So you earn from Amazon, you earn from YouTube. Suppliers will send you products for free to review once you start getting on a bit of momentum with this. So you'll get a product for free, which you can sell, and suppliers will also send you the product for free and they will pay you to do a review video. 4 ways you can earn money from one video. It's awesome. It's crazy. Probably should spend a bit more time on it, but it was a case study, okay? Okay, let's scroll back up the page through this case study and I'll share with you a more recent. So this is a case study that's going on at this moment in time, and it's the TikTok Shop affiliate program. It works in a similar fashion to Amazon in the fact that you can actually get paid for sharing products on TikTok, which again sounds nuts, but you can even take this a step further, okay? So this is the case study that would this, as you can see on here, it took us day 2 to earn our first commission. By day 2, starting from scratch. And then we've been documenting this, how you can get free products, part 2, day 3, day 4, etc. Okay, I'll give you the short version of this. At this moment in time now, this case study is currently averaging about £24 a day. So they're earning $30 a day from scratch. Now, here's the ridiculous thing with this method, okay? And by the way, go ahead and Google TikTok Shop affiliate because it'll blow you away. So with this, what happens is once you've signed up to the TikTok Shop affiliate program, there's 2 requirements for this. The first requirement is you need to have posted a video on your account within the last 28 days. Straightforward and simple. The other requirement is you need 1,000 followers. Now, that may take a bit of time. Normally, you can fast track that process and speed it up by simply buying followers. Does TikTok like it? No. Does it work? Yes, it does. Just go on Google and type in buy TikTok followers, okay? But here's the thing. Once you've been accepted into the TikTok affiliate program for their shop, okay, on the platform, they have it's like a website inside of TikTok. And you can literally find products that will pay you anywhere from 3% up to 15%. But here's the thing, okay? You don't even need to have the product. You don't even need to be talking. You don't need to be on camera because guess what? TikTok will actually, you see here, TikTok inside of the app will make the videos for you. Now, I shared a full video on this a couple of days ago on the channel. I'll link that video for you down below so you can go ahead and have a look at this method because it's insane, okay? Now, I know that this method works because we're doing it as a case study inside of here, okay? Now, you might be thinking, well, that's fine. I'll share with you other people inside of the university who are doing this method, okay? So if we scroll down here, we've got Bobby. And you can see here, thought I would try Mark's TikTok shop method. Took 20 minutes to set up initially, posted 4 videos, got access to the shop, posted 1, and boom, 4 items sold. He earned money as an affiliate promoting products on TikTok. And he literally didn't have the product, he wasn't speaking, he wasn't on camera. It's just all done inside of the TikTok app. That was Bobby 19 hours ago. Scroll further down the page here. We've got Jay 2 days ago. Sunday night I signed up for the TikTok affiliate program, added 3 items. Yesterday he added another 3. And you can see on here, look, made a sale. Yesterday I generated a sale. How cool is this method? Definitely worth doing. And then Scroll further on the page, just checked and seen I've generated another sale whilst I've been asleep. Haha. Honestly, these methods, these two methods that we are looking at today and going through, are just ridiculous ways to make money online because you can do them all purely with a phone. You don't have to be technical. You don't have to be on, well, this TikTok method, you don't have to be on camera. You don't have to talk. You literally just tap a few buttons on your phone and it does it for you. The other method that we have looked at, this one over here, this YouTube and Amazon one, again, all you need to do is go around your house, find products that are on Amazon, do a quick video, post them, and be earning money that way. And as you've seen here, okay, and I already know some people might say, it's saturated, it doesn't work, everyone's doing this. They're not. Everyone isn't doing this, okay? And you can see here, if we go back over to YouTube, this case study over here took us 14 days of being consistent to earn our first commission. The new case study we're doing over on TikTok took us 2 days to set this up, okay? So if you are wanting to make money online and from home, it's literally down to you. It is. There's never been a simpler and an easier way to make money online and from home, okay? There genuinely hasn't. Now, the other thing I want to very quickly mention to you is this TikTok Shop affiliate program. What I'm thinking of doing is I've taken this out of the university and putting it into a membership platform on its own. So you can basically get full access to this for free. And the way we're going to do this is if you comment case study down below, what we're going to do is I'm going to get my team to literally set this up into another membership site. It will be free, but you will not get access to everything in the university. You'll get just access to this affiliate this case study over here. So if you're interested in that and you want it, comment case study down below and we'll reach out to every one of you individually, probably in the next 3 or 4 days once we've gone ahead and got this published and ready, okay? So yeah, that's it. Take care and I'll see you soon.